In early September 2014, the Jammu and Kashmir region experienced heavy incessant monsoon rains that lasted for more than 5 days, resulting to an unprecedented flooding in more than 60 years. The floods left over 215 people dead and displaced about 80,000 people. And a total of 2,500 villages were badly affected in 10 districts in Jammu and 7 districts in Kashmir. Over 60 roads and 50 bridges were damaged due to floods, making the region inaccessible for few days and hampering rescue and relief operations.
Abend kör es varje karabi sahlaban. Na thayon diar na thon kan cheese ki thon asim. Ja makan tinin kakara ostim tinin. Yun santi ga biamar.
When in September 2014, the dreadful flood affected the Kashmir Valley, Islamic Relief was one of the lead agencies which reached to the valley and started serving to the people through its different deliveries.
As an immediate response to the crises in Jammu and Kashmir, Islamic Relief India's priority was to prevent spread of disease by providing clean water, hygiene essentials, access to healthcare and education, and psychosocial support to children. Islamic Relief India reached up to about 4,000 households, consisting of 35,000 people with non-food items such as blankets, kitchen sets and solar lamps, food kits and hygiene kits. As part of their continuing efforts to reach out to 15,000 individuals requiring medical attention, Islamic Relief India has already provided medical help to 9,000 people through health camps in 48 villages.
सबसे पहले यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग बीमार हो गए, हमें मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत थी, वो भी इस्लामिक रिलीफ जो है यहाँ पर एनजीओ है उसने हमें दिया, और वो जो बाल्टी है उसमें थोड़े से बर्तन थे, साबुन थी और हमारे लिए कुछ मेडिसिन भी था। और यहाँ पर एनजीओ वालों ने ये डॉक्टर्स टीम भी लाया और हमारा इलाज भी किया। हम बीमार थे और हमारी थोड़ी सी परेशानी दूर हो गई।
A bleaching drive was carried out in all villages in Bandipora. Public health promotion was also done through wall writings and demonstrations through medical camps.
We have undertaken cleaning and bleaching drives because there has been a lot of infection from the different garbage and waste material, and we wanted not only to spread awareness through wall writing but also undertake physical manual bleaching drive with lime and phenyl.
Islamic Relief India has also distributed education kits to 5,000 affected children, with each kit consisting of a school bag, notebooks, pencils, crayons and other stationeries. Currently, Islamic Relief India is continuing their effort to reach out to 2,000 children, women and youth under the psychosocial support program, which includes working with children through safe play areas. 15 child-friendly spaces have been established and are fully functional. As part of their effort in reinstating the normal lives of children, Islamic Relief India has provided 50 gravity-based water filters to schools in these villages.
They are the sect of the society who usually get neglected and they aren't able to express themselves. So we came up with this idea of child-friendly spaces. So by setting up child-friendly spaces, we provided these children with an environment which was really stimulating, participatory and encouraging environment so that they could get a chance to express themselves and where they could play with each other, do various kind of activities such as drawing or games such as indoor games such as Ludo, Carrom board, etc.
Islamic Relief India observed that youth and women in these villages were experiencing symptoms associated with trauma. Therefore, psychosocial support was provided to separate groups of youth and women. Special focus was being given to young adolescent girls. Psychosocial training material, including training manuals and guidelines, were developed, and 19 village volunteers were trained on the same. 23 group counseling sessions with youth groups were conducted and has benefited 120 youth. 39 meetings with women were conducted, that is benefiting 279 women in 18 villages in Baramulla and Bandipora.
Then a group banyo ait pe himsat semena has 4 nafar 5 nafar 10 nafar kunja ya kunsis garas man seme to ait ak ek sons kath has nas boza ak ek sons boza kimsindis garas man kya ch kimsindis dilas man kya ch ya kas kya asar ch pyomud sahlab ki wajah satan. तो पता जैसे पान में निकात कराते ये दिलस पे जो से असर was योस चलान
ज़हनी परेशानी तो हर किसी में थी मैम, मुझ में भी थी और मेरे यूथ ग्रुप में भी थी। मतलब कि ऐसा हुआ कि जब आप यहाँ आए तो सारी ज़हनी परेशानी तब मतलब कि इतनी दूर हो चुकी है कि आगे भी इंशाल्लाह दूर तो होगी, मतलब कि कोई ज़हनी परेशानी हमारे गांव में ही नहीं रहेगी।
We are trying our best to get them back on track because definitely floods की वजह से काफ़ी हद तक उनकी जो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी थी वो इसकी वजह से मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि असर बहुत हुआ था। तो we are helping them to feel normal about their life again.
Islamic Relief India has provided access to safe drinking water to approximately 10,000 people through installation of water purification systems with capacity of providing 1,000 litres of safe and portable drinking water per hour.
We are working in 47 villages in Baramulla and Bandipora, and our primary focus has been on ensuring access to safe potable drinking water, and for that we have restored community water pumps which self-chlorinate and triple filtration plants in at least 15 to 16 villages.
It serves to replicate Islamic Relief Worldwide's wider goal to serve poor and needy irrespective of their color, religion, ethnicity, gender, and social background.
Disaster risk reduction and disaster proofing, disaster mitigation, preparedness, these are things that we need to mainstream in our regular development programming. So as Islamic Relief, we promote that in all our development projects. We not only promote in structure or physical disaster proofing, but we also invest in the communities that we work with, because in most of the case, communities are your first responders.
We have intention to stay long, but for that we require the support of our generous donors. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to all the donors who has provided their support till now. I would urge my donors that people of Kashmir need your support, continuous support, especially once the winter will be over, there will be a more hardship. We in Islamic Relief would like to intervene in rehabilitation project. We want to build up the capacity of the community who has lost their livelihood, who has lost their houses, who has lost everything. So we need your support in building their life.
Islamic Relief India, with support of Islamic Relief Worldwide, understands that more needs to be done in Kashmir. And for that, we will need your support.
Thank you.